go to the back. That's what mommy said. Go to the back.
Go to the back.
Kaito will sit in front today. You guys, Kaito and Kama, they're dragging for front seats. But anyways, guys, hope you guys are doing well. Kaito, where are we going to?
Go to market.
We're going to the market. Kama, where are we?
Go to the market.
Going to the market. You guys.
We're going to buy coconuts.
Okay, we're not going to buy only coconut. We're going to buy coconut. We're going to buy so many things, right? We're just waiting for Auntie Peace. You guys, I will show you guys what happened at home. I'll show you guys what happened. The beans, I think the weather is changing.
We're not going to buy coconut.
Please let me know how to preserve beans. I'll show you guys at home. Let me know how to preserve beans. Some people will say put it in the freezer, but when it gets blocked, it becomes really, really soggy. When you cook it, like, it's not really fresh. I have tried that. I have tried putting pepper like inside the beans and all to avoid like weevils getting into the beans and the beans spoiling. But let me know, please, do you throw away the beans?
I put in the marble.
Okay. It's still there. Okay, so when I get home, when we come back from the market, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. The beans did not just only spoil, like,
to cook afang.
is it afang you want?
Yes.
No, now we'll make okazi and egusi.
Yes.
Okay, we'll make okazi and egusi. That's true. Safe. I need to even call my mom safe because she needs to refresh my brain. Egusi is our okazi, like black okazi is our native soup, right? So I'll just call her because I want to cook it. It's been a while we've had it. We've just been having afang. My children enjoy afang a lot. Hey, afang and pyom pyom. They enjoy pyom pyom.
I just like curry.
You just like Gary?
Yes.
What's your favorite food?
Afang.
Afang. You see, I'm Gary and soup. So, but anyways, today we're going to make a different type of soup, right? And then when I come back, I'll show you guys, please. Like I was saying, I want you guys to let me know in the comment section, like how to preserve what they call it, like the beans. Let me know what you do. I've done the dry pepper method. Come on, I'll go to the back. I've done dry pepper method, even the freezer method. And just let me know if there's something new, because there's always something new to learn from you guys. People that maybe cracker hand and know how to really preserve these things. Just let me know so that this waste, I will eliminate it. It's hurtful when food items in this particular critical condition is wasting. So anyways, but let's be going. What's
This one is there where it is.
The bag is there.
We're going to the market.
Oh yeah, close. Let's go to the market. Nice. We get plenty for house, so you go sit there here. Please, you bring the knife for sharpening. You go sit there here. 3,500. Fresh or curry? Fresh. Yeah, bring the money. How much? How much? How much? They didn't ask him how much. How did they take preserve this space? Eh?
Nobody use that. I carry one. You put the chemical inside.
Which chemical?
Which chemical?
Eh?
I thought I white
No, now how did they take preserve am? Because my own for inside house. Ants don't finish am.
Now what they inside your house? How much is the cup?
1,000.
The small one.
Ah,
Yes, a lot.
give me 1,000 today.
You know money.
And what?
And oil.
It's pepper.
Thank you. Let me say thank you. You guys see the way I'm sweating. We are done. I know you have been looking for a way to come and squeeze yourself with us. We are done from the market and it's time to start heading home so that I can start cooking. I should have gone to Balogu market today, but check and balance. Just say, you know what, the soups in the house are finished. By next week as well, I need to arrange this children's lunch box, but I'll find time next week and just squeeze into Balogu market. But anyways, let's just be heading home. I'm back home. I'm back home. So if you have any means on how we can actually store beans, because it's so sad, it's just so sad. I also don't want to throw it away. I don't know whether there is something I can do with it. Actually, I don't want to throw. If there is a way we can store these beans, please just let me know in the comments.
Ugu. Is it green?
I'm making okazi soup. What I was just what I was just stirring right now is ofo. So I mixed it with a bit of meat stock, hot water, but I want it to melt so that when I put it, it will not be lumpy. I'm not frying this particular one. I want to melt it very well so it will not be lumpy inside the soup. But I'm just making this now, and then I'll make a goosey, and then we are doing more as well. So now all just busy in the kitchen. I hope you enjoy our cooking.
Come and join us. Ewo. Finish it, go and peel it. Mommy, come and help Kai too. Good job. Wow.
See mommy in the kitchen.
Yes, so wonderful children, children of God.
Children of God.
Yeah?
Children of God.
Yeah. Children of God. Mama, show me your own. You want to say anyone today?
Then bring something.
Nothing. Good job. Woo! I look my own. I look my own. Good. Good job. Woo! I look my own. Let's see. Woo! And this. Okay, let's use apple. Yes, yes. Apple. Mama, let's use apple. Apple. What is this? Apple. Yeah. Apple there. And apple. 1, 2 eggs. Okay?
Who's Joe?
My friend Queen.
Who is this one's queen?
Hello, Queen. Come with me. Hello, Queen. Sorry, the Queen. Don't ask the phone. Don't ask the phone. Happy, not coming. Hello. Hey. Hello. I'm back. Hey. My telephone is nice.
Don't bring an baby. Go and deal with your sleep away. For me, that's the big problem. And of course, they discovered vaccination. And as for vaccination, everybody, if they drink 80% of Nigerian themselves, just not me. I don't pay charges. What is charges? Money laundering, vaccination.
After our memory. Yummy mama. No. Who is Uncle Valley? Mama is away from village.
So you know, say the days and value, bring them come.
But this soup is still on. Is this small? Are we ready? Yes. Yes. No!
By the time you go to school tomorrow,
I said no.
no chop.
I'm not going to school. I'm not going to school again.
Go. You said that.